Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another afgfamily's video. Guys, guess who are here again in my workplace? Sajad, Muhammad,
Sit down,
Amir.
please. You guys are too kind. Stop, please. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, guys.
Assalamu alaikum, guys.
I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you guys are all happy. Guys, today we are back at my dad's workplace, and he's going to be showing us how to boneless a whole chicken.
Yeah, that's right.
And if you guys want another video like this, make sure you guys leave a comment down below, because I know all of you do love these videos.
Guys, as you know, last time we did video here, and I cut chicken, I skin it up, I cut it joint by joint. So most of the subscribers, they loved it the way I did. And today my children, Sajad Muhammad, asked me that if I can do another like as a whole chicken, make it boneless. The chicken will be still whole, but I will take out the bone and without make it parts. So I will do one chicken for you guys, and I want to say it in Pashto as well. ګرانو ملګرو، سجاد محمد امیر بیا راغلی دی دوکان ته، غواړي چې مخکې ویډیو چې ما په دوکان کې دلته کړې وه، کټینګ یې چرچر کړی و، ډېرو خلکو خوښه شوې وه. نو اوس دوی وغواړي چې یو بله ویډیو موږ هم داسې جوړه کړو چې هول چکن راواخلم، د هغې هډوکی وباسم او چکن کټ نه شم، داسې هول پاتې شي. نو تاسو ما سره پاتې شئ، ګورو چې زه درته وښیم. By law we should wear mask, but I don't need to because it's only my family around me. There's no other customer, so I don't need to wear this one at the moment. Sajad Muhammad,
Yes, sir.
now I'm gonna make you a whole chicken boneless.
Thank you.
So I hope you guys like it and the subscribers will like it, inshallah.
Inshallah.
And guys, you know that we have to wear this white coat because whoever is working in butcher, in fish, they must wear it, because doctor, nurse, they are wearing it, but the doctor, nurse, they are doctors of humans, we are doctors of meat and chicken. You are right.
Yes.
Okay guys, so as the gloves, let me wear another one as well. That's okay. Now guys, as you guys can see, this is chicken with bone whole. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna must have, if you've seen it in a restaurant, there is chicken grill, they call it grilled chicken, boneless grilled chicken. So I'll show you to you how they are making it boneless. Last time someone was telling me that the blue knife is not used for chicken, it's fish knife, but no. Normally the red knife you can use for meat, but the blue, yellow, any kind of other color, green, you can use it for chicken, as we don't have fish in the shop, so it doesn't matter. So this is the blue knife, small, not a special boneless knife. We make it boneless. As you guys can see, some people are leaving the whole wings. You can just cut the small part of the wings, and some people are cutting it half of the wings, the tip part, so they don't want it and they're throwing it away. And now so you can do it from the front and you can do it from the back as well, and I'm gonna do it for you from the back. So that's the way you do. As you guys can see now, you have to go through the joint again. You will reach from the one side breast, then you turn the chicken like this. You put knife, here is a small joint, you go in, pull it up. Once you cut this one, then if you pull it, the chicken to there, as you again the same. So this bone is out. Now, as you guys can see, you can make the leg and thigh boneless as well with it. But some people leave this small bone. Some people leave this bone as the chicken stay whole, but some people take it out. I will take it out because I'm gonna make the whole chicken boneless. That's the way you do. Once you break the joint, you can pull the chicken. The joint go automatically out. So this joint doesn't stay there, you see. So now this is, you guys see, this is the whole chicken. but it's boneless. Yes. Let me show you this side as well. This is the whole chicken. But when you, if you want to put the bone back here, for example, yeah, but the leg and thigh become boneless, you can have it like this. From the front is not cut, but already I took the leg and thigh bones, that's why it is like this. But normal, some people leave this bone inside to stay the leg flat and doesn't squeeze. So now, this is the boneless chicken, whole chicken boneless with skin. You can easy peasy grill this one like this. And now I will show you one thing more. And if you want to make it boneless, like you cut the wings, and this is the butterfly they call it. Yes, the butterfly, yes. But if some people want only the breast part to be make it heart or butterfly. So now you guys ask me how to make it heart. For some people want like Valentine heart. So this is, you go here, slice the breast to halfway. So now
Who would have known a chicken can turn into a butterfly and a heart?
this one is a proper heart chicken. So if you can see it, this is a proper heart, and some people they call it as a butterfly as well. It's the fillet. You can make it burger, you can make anything. And there's the thigh, you can make it bone. This is the same. So as I told you, you can this quarter of the chicken, if you want to cut it 4 pieces with bone is better, because if you make it boneless, it will stay too small. It's not enough for one person. It's not a one portion, because when you make it boneless, one chicken is enough only for one person. So I hope you guys will like it. Please, anything you like in the butcher section, from meat, beef and chicken, anything you want, how to cut it, what is the best part of meat, and which part is more tastier, which part is more tender. So please put comments down below, and I will do it in the next video for you guys. Thank you. I hope you will like it, inshallah. Guys, do you like my butchery?
Yeah, especially how you turn the chicken into a heart. Sorry, it's like
Heart shape.
I
Heart
was-
shape. Okay.
underneath.
Yes, yeah, it looks like heart. You see, that's because it's proper. So now, guys, I'm gonna clean the table, because it's very important. After you finish your work, you clean the table. So this one now I'm gonna pick up. Guys, if anyone is working in a butcher section, please keep your table always clean. Knife, as soon as you finish work, you can do wash, or if you cannot straight away you wash it after it, at least you clean it with tissue like this. And every night before you close the shop, you wash the knife and hang it here. Thank you, guys. So now Sajjad Muhammad Amir will give you the subscribe message. Sajjad, who's gonna give the subscribe message?
I would do.
Okay.
So that was
Let me bring Amir as well.
that was a whole chicken
Let me
cut boneless by the
Amir can
professional.
sit here.
Yeah, especially how the chicken turned into a heart. I was like,
Yeah. So thank you for
Nice,
the subscribe message.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to smash the notification button. We love you
love you
all.
all.
Bye.
Bye.